Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I gonna show you how to add tag to your Facebook video. First of all, you open your Facebook account. After you open your account, select on the page, select your page, and after selecting your page, then select on any video that you want to tag, and select from these three dots, and then edit the post. After edit the post, you can see here the video option. Click on the video option. After that, you can enter any title that you want that you give to your video. After adding title, you can down below you can see here you can add the tag to your video, and after that, if you want to add any caption, you can add from here, and it may be auto generated also. And after that, if you want to upload the thumbnail, click on this and choose from your drive or suggested image. You can any way you want to, you can choose, but you can also you can choose from your video. Upload the image and select from your drive. Just select on any image you want to select, you can select. Thanks for watching. I hope you can really enjoy this video. Watch and